What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I hope you're having a good day. And we're playing more PUBG Mobile. I'm with my brother. I guess. But how? So, do you know we're gonna go yet? So, jump in a few seconds. Now? We're at 8.
3, 2, 1, go.
Can you turn it down just a little bit? Thanks. Oh, there's another guy here.
Me.
No, it's not.
You see 2 other people on your screen?
No, we only see one guy.
That's me then.
No, like... Oh, yeah, it is. I thought, like, you were behind me, but there's a guy in front of me. Oh, God, yeah, there's a other guy. Come on over here. He's over here.
I'm trying to find a gun.
Me too. That's my fear, is that he's gonna find a gun. Oh, he found a gun. He found a gun.
I got an M16.
Get him. He's over here.
Get one.
Oh, he's firing at me.
Working on it.
Oh, he's right here. Behind me. Oh,
This way.
oh, I can't. Oh. I gotta go. Get him. Oh, I'm knocked out. Alright, heal me. He has another. I told you there's someone here.
Yes, you're right.
So we gotta watch out for that other guy. Whatever he has, I want to loot him because I don't have anything.
If you're 5 safe, I'll follow.
Okay.
Oh, damn it. Okay. Oh, I'm getting shot at.
Yeah, I'm knocked out.
Already?
Yeah. I had no health kits. I had literally nothing except for
Where is
my...
he?
I don't know. I just got shot. I think he's behind us or something. I'm dying.
No, don't move.
This is bringing me back to full health because it's like so rare. I'll take the ballistic mask. Do you need 7.62?
No, but if you find another assault rifle, I want it.
Okay.
Because I do need another assault rifle.
Do you need 9 mil?
No, well, yeah, actually I do.
Come on over here then.
And then keep up. Helmet. And a shotgun.
I have some shells for a shotgun.
And a pistol.
You need any 9 mil anymore?
I'm
Okay,
still thinking.
it is
I
over
want to get rid of this shotgun. Yeah, UMP.
over here. Did you take that other guy out?
Other what?
Did you take that other guy out that shot me?
No, I like your shotgun. I
Uh,
like the 140.
yeah, I think he skedaddled or whatever. I think he's still hanging out around this area,
Might be.
but he's not really showing himself. I think he's going for the surprise attack.
Okay.
Nice. First aid. Here's some 9 mil for you. I have 45 rounds. Yeah, I feel like he's still lingering around here.
Okay.
Here. Over here.
There's another two bags here.
I already have one. Here's some 9 mil. I'll trade you some 9 mil for 5.56.
Alright. Is there only any 5.56?
Here. 45 rounds for you. You need. Can I have shotgun ammo then?
You need 7.62?
That's why I asked you.
That's all I can spare.
Thanks. For what it's worth, because I have like 5. I mean,
There's
like.
more 12 gauge there.
Yeah. And some bandages I need. I'm checking the roof. I'll tell you if there's anything up here. There is some 5.56. You need any?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's not.
Where is it?
Yeah, I knew he was lingering around here. If he has a box or something of 5.56, I would like that.
I want the UMP. Yeah, I'll give you some 5.56.
Cool.
And 12 gauge. I'll give you this 12 gauge axes.
Cool.
There you go.
Thanks.
Yeah. Cool. That it? You didn't have any 5.56.
I didn't get any 5.56.
You didn't have any. Yeah, good. You need to go.
I'm okay, but I'm really low.
We're not going that far. Let's go this way.
You have a helmet.
What?
You have a helmet?
Yeah.
Level 2.
Yeah.
I don't have a helmet, I only have a beanie.
There's only one helmet there.
Yeah, a level 1 would be good.
Well, we're going to houses right here, so.
Yeah. If there's like a level 3 or whatever, I want that.
Yeah. Go and drop it right here.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Where is it?
I'm gonna take it right up.
Really?
Oh, I can.
Really?
Yeah. If you down, get into a bush.
Oh yeah, it's literally right there. If there's a ghillie suit, I want it. Dang, it's right there. Come on, let's go. Gotta get this and just get up.
Well, there's only a scope. And an MK14 if you want it.
Nah.
It has 7.62 ammo for it. Better than a shotgun speaker.
Oh yeah, huh.
I'll give you some 7.62.
Nice.
Got a scope for it. Here.
I don't need a scope, I already have
It's a 4x scope.
I already have it. It's already on here.
Well, here, I'll give you some 7.62.
I need that.
There.
Thanks.
Right here.
I already have a 4x scope now.
Okay. So we'll go to this house.
I'll loot the right, I mean the left, like the left side.
Yep.
Please be a helmet. Okay. Yes, level 1.
It works. I have 305 rounds of 9mm there.
Dang, that's a lot.
There's nothing in here at all.
Oh.
Where is it?
That was close. Yes, I'll give you a box of 556. Oh, there's 762 in here. I'll take the 762. Yeah.
Oh, I hear another person.
Oh, I got him.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I got him. That guy took some health off me. If he has 762, you know, I'll take it.
Really? I'll give you some 7.62. I just need the 5.56. Here.
I need a box at least of
There's
556.
60.
Thanks. I need at least a box of 556. Cause I'm.
Didn't you take some?
No.
Oh, here. There you go. I dropped it. You get it?
No. Well, this guy had a
Yeah, you
mini.
did. You picked it up. You had to.
No, I didn't.
It's not here. You automatically picked it up.
I don't have any in my.
Well, it's not here, right? you had to have picked it up. I didn't.
Ooh, there's a mini 14 in here. It takes less ammo.
It's 5.56.
I know.
I gave you 7.62 as well.
I know, but it's just not.
I have 2 withdraw bags where they are. If you need an extra one. If you need one.
No, I took the mini 14.
Yeah, it'll work for it.
Oh well.
I'm in stock. I'm gonna help out Pudgy for a few minutes.
Okay, me too. I'm gonna energy out.
That's what I was supposed to be doing.
I know that's what.
That's why I asked you to guard me, because I can't shoot when I'm drinking stuff.
It's fine. I know it's. I didn't. It took like 3 seconds. It's fine.
This was 200 meters this way. I always do something.
My armor's almost dead. Cool. I really need 5.56. I barely have 2 mags.
Changing the size of my map so I can see stuff.
Okay.
Should be good now.
I really hope we win this.
Yeah.
A lot of views.
Here's some 5.56.
Cool.
I don't have a whole lot, so here's like most of them. What?
Thanks. I really needed that. Now I have like 65 rounds.
Now I have a suppressor on my UMP.
Nice. It's okay. I'm just running. I remember our first time playing this.
Oh shit, we're going the wrong way. It shrank really fast.
Well, we gotta go this way now. We're in the safe zone, but barely.
I need to look at the map and figure out what we're doing.
There's a car. They don't see us. They don't see us though. Let's just let them pass. Yeah, let's just let them pass though.
Yep.
We don't want to kill people if we don't have to, because that's more noise and it's a bit bigger danger.
Figure out where we're going.
I'll guard you.
Well, we really just need to go to the same spot I have marked.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
There's a guy?
No, 5.56 ammo.
Really?
You need some?
Kinda.
Yeah,
I'll.
let me just give you what I just found.
I don't really need it right now.
Okay, I'll give you 20 more rounds.
Okay.
There's like 25 there. There.
Thanks. There's 8 people left.
Yep.
you think they saw us? The people in the car?
No, I think they would have shot at us.
Yeah, probably, or hit us with their car.
Your crap, okay.
Hey, there's a bike here. Should we take it?
No, it's more noise.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm gonna take some pills.
Me too, I'm gonna drink an energy. Alright, you good?
Yep.
Alright. Let's go. Okay. It's coming behind us. Should we?
No, there's a 40 something in this sleeping game. There's 7 people here.
Yeah, I mean, we have way more ammo than we should. But if there is a ghillie suit in there, that's gonna help us. Well, it's really close.
Figure it out.
If we don't see anybody, if they're not already looting it. There's a buggy right here, so we might. I know. You didn't let me finish. Like, so we might. No. So there might be people here.
This door is open.
Really?
Yep, all these doors are open. Be careful.
Yeah, I'm going to the drop.
No! There's 7 of them left.
But if there's a ghillie suit.
I can get to the top of this building and look at stuff.
Okay. We should probably both do that, because it's probably the safest place. Good thing I have that 4x scope. It's right behind a tree, so you can't really see much.
Don't fire unless you're absolutely sure you can hit him.
I don't see
Oh,
any.
I see a person.
You do?
Yep. 165. Up at the top.
$165. I'm looking at 165. I don't really see anybody.
Oh, he just appeared behind some trees. He's somewhere. I see him.
Oh, I see him too. You taking the shot? Reloading, cover me. Where did they go? Where'd they go?
Got one.
Where'd they go? I can't see them no more. Oh, I see one. You got one guy. Where's that other guy? He's hiding in the bushes. The circle.
Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah.
They're not as much. Check behind us. Do a perimeter check, but don't leave the top of the building.
I'm not.
Because we've been firing a lot.
Yeah. I'm checking over there by the drop. I don't see anybody.
The shadows, that's it.
You do with your UMP, don't you?
That's right. sure do. I spent 4 times like that.
I'm still looking for that guy. I know he's still alive
I
and
don't know where he is.
he's still out there. What, is that you?
Yeah, that's me.
You see him? Or are you guessing?
I'm guessing.
I know he's in the bushes. But which one? There's so many.
Yeah, you don't have a suppressor, buddy.
I thought I saw him. I mean,
We're like damn near in the middle.
yeah.
Stay crouch.
We're in a really good spot. We have the big advantage. So I say, oh, that was a big mistake. I'm looking for that guy.
Don't shoot anymore.
I'm not trying to.
We're in the last part of it.
Really, I'm not trying to.
Crouch. That way they can't sign up on you.
But whenever I crouch, I can't see them.
Yes, you can. Use your camera to your advantage.
But you don't have the sights.
Yeah, that's when you stand up. And then to the right. Where the old drop used to be.
There's a new drop, like right here.
Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna go on this side.
We're right in the middle of the circle.
There's 2 other people.
Yeah, those people are dead. Wherever they are, they're probably dead by now because the circle's behind them. Or maybe they went in front of us, like to the north.
Watch the door too, though.
Yeah. We should close the door. Why is it open?
Watch for crawling people in the bushes.
Yeah, I am. And with ghillie suits on crawling. I really feel like I should get that drop, but no. It's right there. I thought I was a ghillie suit. And they could be like right beneath us too. Or we can't see them.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a different scope on my USB.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have a red. Do you have a red dot? Red dot?
Yeah, I have a red dot.
Are you not using it?
No, yeah, you can have it. Come here.
Mm-hmm.
It's right here.
Okay.
Yeah. I really want to get that drop. It's right there.
Well, there is another building. I don't know if we can get on the roof of that one. We can't get on the roof of the others.
I don't think we need our scopes anymore.
Put a red dot on my weapon, and a holographic on another.
Whoa.
Oh?
Oh?
I know, they died because they were outside the circle.
Yeah. I feel like we kind of like stole that one.